How to fix camera not working for QR scanner and UPI apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve camera issues with payment and scanner apps after an Android update. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, find and tap on the UPI app or scanner app that's having camera issues. Now, tap on Permissions. Moving forward, make sure camera permission is set to Allow or Allow all the time. If it's set to Deny or Ask every time, tap on it and select Allow. This ensures the app can access your camera for QR scanning. Afterwards, go back to the app info page. Tap on Storage to access storage options. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Don't tap Clear Data, as this may reset your app settings. Additionally, check if battery optimization is affecting the app. Go back to the app info page and tap on Battery. Make sure it's set to Unrestricted instead of Optimized. Battery optimization can sometimes limit camera access. Now close settings completely. Open your UPI or scanner app again. Try scanning a QR code to test if the camera is working. The camera should now function properly for QR scanning. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix camera not working for QR scanner and UPI apps on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.